What's up, everyone? Ratchet Hayden here, and welcome to the reaction of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas short film, CJ Meets Crash Bandicoot. We're on in 3, 2, 1, and play. Rockstar Games presents a Rockstar North game. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. CJ meets Crash Bandicoot. So what do we do? On a sunny day in Grove Street. I wonder what he's doing. There's CJ's house. There's Carl Johnson. Oh, phew! Let's play some PlayStation games. Dude, here we go. The Foot Clan. PlayStation. Dude, you see, here we go. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh. The next day. Dude. But for now. Huh? Whoa! Dude, who the frick? Whoa. Who the hell make that noise? Dude, I wonder who's downstairs. Ah! What the fuck? It's Crash Bandicoot. Dude. Popeye. Oh! That's my car!
My car!
Look at him! He stole Carl Johnson's car! So what do we do? How would the police suspect him? Dude, there's a LSPD. Oh my god, he's causing a mess! Uh-oh. Hey, go! Popeye! What the hell? So what do we do? So what do we do? Shall we suspect him? This dude. He's causing him an entire mess. Hey! Watch it there! So what do we do? What the fuck? Crash is driving through the whole around the city and making everywhere a messy. After 2 hours later, Crash is going to Los Santos International Airport. But suddenly, there's someone's been spotted. Wonder who's there. Dude. Uh-oh. What do we do? Wonder who that guy is. Carl vortex! What? How did Crash Bandicoot know that we are here? Oh, damn. How did you know we are here in this dimension? I guess Aku told you. Hey! I thought you spoke English. Never mind. This time you can't stop my plan here because I brought someone to take you down. Engine! Dude. What? Hello, Crash. We meet again. Dude. Behold. Meet the superior killing machine. Gundam Strike Freedom. The first scored of destroying things. Known as powerful, speed, and never miss his shot to target. Where it is? Oh, Crash, you look like you don't stand a chance. And even you didn't bring Aku with you.
No.
Uh-oh. But where's Carl? Carl Johnson. After he's finished, we will bring Doom to this weird-looking world, and everyone will obey me. So what do we do? Popeye! He's a butthole. Spools of thread. Who's that? Hey! It's Carl Johnson! What the hell's that huge thing? Oh, fuck. Holy shit! Huh? Huh? Oh fuck! It's the Dr. Neo Cortex! Why that ugly bitch is doing here? Huh? My car!
My rod! Oh, my fucking rod!
You dog! You wrecked my whip! Well, let's begin the research for my plan. Hours later. Popeye! Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, CJ meets Crash Bandicoot. Okay, that's all for now.